June 21st, 2017. This is day 2 of Tropical Storm Cindy. And I found some pretty detailed imagery here. And we'll just watch it rock. That way you can see where everything came from and how it expands out. It's probably a bunch of planes along with coordinated water vapor releases. Look at that there in the panhandle of Florida. Up into Alabama there. Going down a little bit. And you should be able to see that this is all created by man. I mean, you got planes going, ships going. I'm sure you got stuff on bars out there superheating the air. I mean, it's just a mess in the Gulf right now. A complete mess. And to me, that eye of that storm looks square. Looks pretty square to me. Alright, now that we've seen all this, spraying, check out some other regions. My region, the Mid-Atlantic here. Oh look, you can see some water vapor releases going on there in Ohio, and yeah, heading right towards me. And still the smooth edges trying to push this mess of crap here down. We'll check the radar on that. And they're still playing bumper pool air. I've seen some central plains that reminded me of yesterday. Well, if it loads. Coming off the mountains there in Colorado, and then right in the same point there in Kansas. Again. Let's turn on the radar here. Just, yep, it's popping up right between them two radars again. Surprised I didn't see it being. Go down, look, Texas. We are off first. The eye or whatever, the eye square, I'll call it a square. The square of that storm, just in the same old spot there and spinning. This storm's supposed to last till Friday, I heard. Tropical storm just likes to stick around here. And then you see this coming off these mountains over here again. We covered the same exact thing yesterday in New Mexico. Now we'll turn on the radar. See what these things are doing. Where else did I want to look at? Well, just try to so you can see all the angles and the squares and the smooth edges. And then check this one here. I missed this one yesterday, but this is from yesterday from 3 p.m. Eastern Time to current 3 p.m. Eastern Time today. But you can see these nice pulses down here going on. Whatever, right here, there. And you can see all these radars working in conjunction with one another. Should be pretty obvious. Then we'll cover had some interesting sky this morning. Take a look at that. Nice perpendicular lines going on there. Pink clouds. There we got some, I guess you'd call them scalar waves. I guess they're all being manipulated by the radars or a device of some sort. Anyways, that's my report. We'll end on that nice clear image provided by CIRA, which I believe is the Cooperative Institute for Research of the Atmosphere. And get a nice clear image of that one more time. So happy first day of the summer, and hopefully people are alright down there in the Gulf after all these storms.